Agithurima kuhingurwo kwa rutha rwa mbere mathukuru-ini mwena wa Gatundu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Minista wa Githomo George Magoha ni aheanire mukana gutikae gukorwo kuri na mwana ukugirio kuhingura thukuru ni wagi wa bithi, uniform na kana marihi ma mbeca cia kuria.
Education is free, as you are aware, and secondary school is also free. There are other issues that you think by consensus the child should be asked to provide. Don't send a child away, for example, because the child has not carried lunch money.
Hari mbeca iria igayagirwo mathukuru ni thirikari, Magoha ni ugite mathukuru mothe magirwo ni gukorwo makineana muigana wa ciana iria ciothe mari nacio niguo mbeca ici ikorwo ikirekererio mathukuru-ini amu undu ndungihanika gutamenyekete ni ciana cigana ciandikithitie na kirathi kia grade 1.
NEMIS is now working very well, and I think the teachers are upgrading NEMIS. We have said even if they don't have birth certificates, index numbers should be able to be enough.
Hari ukinyaniria wa CBC, Magoha oigite mutaratara uyu ni uthire na mbere wega umuthi, akiruguria kirathi kia grade 4 akiuga uheani wa mabuku mathukuru-ini ni muriku, otiga icigo imwe iria iragumirwo ni muiyuro no gukinyaniria rucio mihango ino ni gukorwo yarikiriria. Oho akiongerera arutani a kuigana ni mathomithitio gutwarithia mutaratara uyu na mbere.
The problem that we had was somewhere in Tukana and one or two others outflung areas, basically due to the floods, and I was advised that by today the book should be there.
Maya magithiaga na mbere mwena wa Mombasa, thukuru nyingi ni ingetheirwo ni uritu munene ni undu wa namba nene ya arutwo aria mandikithitio kuingira kirathi kia grade 1 o ndomwe na aria mari grade 2, 3 na 4 makiringithania na muigana wa irathi na arimu aria mari nao. Na kuo mwena wa Gilgil, mubunge wa gicigo giki Martha Wangari ni okireire mutaratara wa kurihia arutwo aria matehotete Ministry ya Githomo ya Elimu Scholarship, akiuga uri na ungumania amu arutwo amwe maritwa mao matironekana ona thengia wao kuoyo mubango-ini uyu. Guku nake mubunge wa Bahati Kimani Ngunjiri akiuga mubango wa kuingiria arutwo aria othe mekire kigeranio kia KCPE mathukuru-ini ma secondary igana kwa igana wahota kugumirwo ni mathina maingi ni unyihu wa irathi na arimu a kuigana.
Na mumechukua watoto in full scholarships kutoka constituencies zingine. Naivasha imepata almost 100 full scholarship. Hapa mimi na struggle na CDF peke yangu sababu mmesema hapa hakuna salamu.
Sasa mnataka kuleta vita watoto wote waingie wasimame kwa darasa na hakuna structures. It is not possible. We must do two things, Magoha. One, pesa structures lazima zikuweko. Mupime hiyo mashule vile watoto wanaingia. Mchukue data mtajua. Second, muangalie mambo ya walimu. Our schools has no teachers.
Arutwo mambiririe gucokereria thukuru muthenya wa umuthi, guku nao aria maraingira kirathi kia form 1 magitanywo kurikia kuingira gukinyaniria tariki 13 mweri uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, getwo Nduta wanyu the